What's that? Oh, it's a hat. It looks great on you, Alex. Come on, let's go to the racing track. All right, Alex, are you ready? Three, two, one. Wait, Alex. Something happened to the race car. Oh, look! He has a flat tire. All right, Alex, let's help him. Let's go look for a new tire. Alex, which wheel do we need? No, not this one. So what do you think, Alex? Great! That's the right wheel we are looking for. Now let's take off the flat tire. All right, now let's put on the new tire. Great! Do you like your new tire? Now, let's continue the race. Hello, Alex. You look happy today. So, what are you going to build today? Aha! You want to build a car. Great! Let's start building the car. The car cabinet. The wheels. The front lights. Let's put the seats inside. a steering wheel. The doors. It seems like the car is almost completed. Oh, we still need the car glasses. Great! The car is completed. Now it's time to paint it. Are you ready? Blue. Yellow. Red color. Black color. Orange. Grey color. Black color. Red color. Blue color. Orange color. Grey color. Yellow color. Great! All the car parts have been painted. Now let's start the car engine. Hello, Alex. Where are you going? Are you going to the skating yard? Be careful, Alex. Don't jump too far. Be careful, Alex. Don't jump too far. Oh, watch out, Alex. Oh no, Alex got into the hole. Alex, are you okay? Thank God. Wait here, Alex. The tow truck will come here to help you. Hello, tow truck. We need your help. Alex is stuck. Let's go to help him. Hold on, Alex. The tow truck is here. All right, tow truck. Let's help Alex. Great! Thank you, tow truck, for helping Alex. All right, let's go to play basketball.